Alright, ladies and gentlemen, dog treat reviews on John the Picker Show continues. On this week's show, we got chicken flavor, beef flavor, liver flavor, bacon flavor, milk bones. GravyBones, great for small dogs and big dogs. 4 delicious flavors in the box. As you can tell, wholesome goodness and 4 tasty flavors. It's got vitamins, crunchy texture, over 100 years. Milk bones. They gotta have some loot. Every dog loves milk bones, don't we, Coop? Scrappy, I bet you like a milk bone too. This one could probably eat them whole. Sit. Gotta get the friggin' part where she balances on her nose. I'll probably break Scrappy's in half. Look at them. Cooper already demolished a whole milk bone. Up. Oh, looks like those are hits too. Look at Scrappy. He's got to chew his up in pieces. This dog just eats it all in one piece. You better clean that up. You got another piece down there, look. Right there. Clean it up. Clean it up. I don't know if they're different colors or what. Them smell like not as tasty as the other ones. You want another one, Scrap? You guys are in the treat business tonight, aren't you? You're gonna love being YouTubers. Here, Coop, you want another one? Don't fight me for it. She likes it. They like the dog treats, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have to start doing our own treat reviews on the show. Dog treat reviews. What? Dogs like when I do that. Choking on it. Can't handle little milk bones, can ya? What? Maybe I should just break hers down too and not let her chew it up. She gets a little out of hand, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what the serving size suggestion is, but I probably just broke it. 1 to 5 biscuits per day. They got their 5 biscuits. I'm John the Picker. John the Picker's friggin' dog snack reviews. I'm out. Tune in, we'll be doing more. What? Shouts out to Milkbone. You're fixing the old Dyson vacuum, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. Frigger clogged right with hair and shit. Wonder what's in there keeping it from sucking shit up today. What? It's unbelievable. Clogged full of shit, ladies and gentlemen. I think I feel some money in there. Sawdust and shit. What? Fixing the Dyson vacuum. Clogged full of friggin' hair down there. I like how the brush is. It like clicks together. Wherever the other piece is today. No clue. Oh, right there. It's the brush. So much for never clogging, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit, I had half a dog in there. What? The old Dyson. Oh yeah. Gotta get this brush back together. Goes on this side. And you put one of these on there. Then you screw it down. That simple. Oh, let's see if I can clog it up again, ladies and gentlemen. What? Holy shit, man. Good ass vacuum. Oh yeah. What do you think, Cooper? It's your fault it got clogged in the first place. Big ass heavy dog here twirling around in there. Heck yeah. Fix my Dyson, folks. Pain in the ass to work on. Bristles are easier. What? Hopefully it don't get clogged again.